Welcome to our tutorial on the upgraded Shareable link for Prism users. We'll walk through the key features and functions of the latest update. Let's get started. First, let's access the Shareable link. To turn on the share functionality and copy the external link, at the top right of the floor plan, select the button Share. Send the link to your collaborators. Once your collaborators have entered the Shareable link, the following options will be available. To toggle avatar names on the 2D floor plan and provide user locations in 3D, select the icon Eye. To open a panel displaying users appearing in the designer and the Shareable link, select the icon Participant Panel. To invite anyone in the designer or Shareable link, you can provide an invitation to join a meeting. To do this, select the button Start Meeting. Once the meeting has started and participants have joined the meeting, you'll see the video grids appear on the bottom left of the floor plan. Here, you can adjust camera and microphone settings and share your screen. To see more actions available during the meeting, select the icon 3 dots. Switch all to 2D moves all participants to the 2D floor plan. Switch all to 3D moves all participants to the 3D floor plan. Now let's review the features available within the Shareable link. Once you enter the Shareable link, sign in using your Prism account details or enter as a guest. You'll find the event name at the top left of the header. The left panel displays a list of shared floor plans. To switch between 2D and 3D views, switch between bird's eye and first-person views, or open the Help navigation pop-up, select this icon. To open display options including chair numbers, dimensions, table names, and table numbers, select this icon. And just like in the designer, you can start a meeting which will send out an invitation to all participants to join the video call. Once the call begins, you will be able to see the video grids of all of the participants and their names will appear in the participants panel. To share your screen during a video call, select this icon. To change your camera and audio settings, select this icon. You can guide participants through your virtual space using Follow Me controls, or you can follow participants through your space. You can also showcase your space to everyone in 2D or 3D by selecting these 3 dots. Note, to access these features, sign in upon entering the Shareable link and join a meeting. We hope this tutorial on the upgraded Shareable link helps streamline your collaboration experience. Happy collaborating!